This pool looks so refreshing. Oh my god, that robot. Look at it in the water. It's like the best thing ever. Oh my god, I want to go up that slide. But I can't. There's a height limit. It really stinks. Oh my gosh. The robot's coming towards me. It's my lucky day. No! No, no, no. Don't back up. Oh, hey, what's up, friend? Nothing. I'm just roaming. Unlike you hyper beast. Sorry. I am really hyper. I can't help it. I'm like really young.
What one? Oh, that one.
And yeah,
I think it's the water.
that Robbie looks awesome, doesn't he? It's a robot named Robbie. Robbie's yummy. And now I need to say hello. Oh my god. I got it. Hi. I could really go for a bowl of oatmeal right now. Oatmeal's yummy, especially the maple flavored. I love maple flavored oatmeal. That's good for you, but I like the bacon flavored. The bacon flavor is awesome. It's okay. Don't be calling bacon flavored, okay? Okay. It's coming towards me, it's coming towards me. It's almost there. Aw, it's gone. Let's go to McDonald's. I'm going to McDonald's.